Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video, I'm gonna show you how to improve your mic quality in Discord. So we'll click on user settings here. Once you've clicked on that, go to voice and video here under app settings and make sure that the input volume is set to 100 so that your voice will be more clear to others. There, and just scroll down a little here. And turn on echo cancellation here under voice processing, and make sure that in noise suppression your settings is set to crisp here, so it suppresses background noise for your mic from your mic there. And for that, make sure that this input sensitivity is also automatically turned on. So there guys, once you're done with that, you could go to voice channels here and go click on edit channel. Once you're there, go to, just scroll down a little, and the bitrate, make sure that it's set to this level so that it can improve your voice quality more. So once you're done with that, so if you want to edit those channels, make sure that you have permission from the server owner, or if you're the server owner, you could also do that. So once you're done with that, we'll go through Windows settings here. So click on this tray icon here and click this and click more volume settings here. Once you're done with that, make sure that the volume here also is set to 100 or your preferred volume level, and go here on more sound settings. Go to recording and pick the microphone that you are currently using. Go to properties. There, make sure that the microphone level is set to 100. And here, pick on the lowest part here, this one, 1 channel 24-bit studio quality here. So basically the highest one, the highest number of hertz here. Studio quality, and go click on apply there. Go there. Well, that's it guys. After you've done that, it's okay now. And lastly, what you'd want to do is update your drivers. So search for device manager here. So as you can see, device manager, click on that. There, and here on audio inputs and outputs, go click on the mic that you are using. For me, it's this mic, the condenser microphone. Click on properties, go to driver, and make sure that your driver is updated by clicking here on update driver. And once you're done with that, guys, you're all good. And if this video helped you guys, please make sure to like and subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.